Hello, hi, can you hear me? Is this mic making a difference so you can hear the bombing around? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Juhi Shah World. It's time, Thailand shopping haul, grab your teas and coffees. Hello guys, how are we? Welcome back to my channel Juhi Shah. जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, I'm back from Thailand. It was my second international trip of 2024. God has been kind, and all I have to tell you is that what a trip! I was with my girls, and we were on a long trip of 12 days, I believe. Or I'm still not over it, guys. I think it's gonna take me some time. At least मुझे एक महीना लगेगा ये ट्रिप से over होने के लिए. So of course the travel vlogs will be coming in. I don't want to take much of your time because I know this is one of the best hauls that I have done so far on my channel. You're gonna love it. You are just gonna love it. It's such a shopper's paradise. So sit back, relax, grab your teas, coffees, lunches, dinners, meals and something else if you wish to, and let's enjoy this together. किस किसने मेरा बाली ब्लॉग देखा है? अगर देखा है तो आपको पता है मैंने सबसे पहली चीज क्या खरीदी थी. I think the same pattern जो है अभी भी repeat हुआ है. Well guys, एक साल हो गया था मैंने ये चीज नहीं खरीदी थी, and when I went to Bali I picked up two. Can you guess what I'm talking about? If you have been following up regularly, I'm sure आपको पता होगा. And if no, here it is. I'm such a big fan of this thing. These are perfumes, and I picked up one more full size from duty free. This is something जब मैं बाली जा रही थी तभी ही मैंने देख लिया था, लेकिन मैं already दो perfumes full size purchase कर चुकी थी. So I was like, let's not be greedy, Juhi. But this time जब ये trip हुई, I was like, I have to pick this up. There is no other way. We are talking about Jo Malone, guys. It is one of the best brands ever. And जो fragrance हमने ली है वो है Wood Sage and Sea Salt. Oh my god, I cannot tell you. I'm a beach bum absolutely. और मुझे इसकी fragrance सीधा transport करती है beaches पे. मैं इसको explain नहीं कर पाऊंगी, but this is so me. It is absolutely rich. It is absolutely very salty, you know, when you are probably smelling it. And definitely breeze का भी smell है इसमें. I will learn how to explain notes and I will learn how to explain perfumes. But this, guys, I recommend this to everybody. Yes, ये expensive है. This is my favorite. मैं इसको spray नहीं करूँगी. This is very precious to me, so I don't want to waste even one single spritz of it. I am an absolute love Jo Malone. You have no idea आपने क्या create किया है. My ruling scent जो recent तक था, that was Versace Dylan Blue Parfum, and now this one has taken over. So guys, it is Jo Malone and this fragrance. Please go ahead and buy it. Now मेरी intention थी सिर्फ Jo Malone को buy करने की और कुछ भी नहीं था. But then you know how it is, right? Once you are in perfume heaven and you know you love perfumes, then you will bound to get lured by it. And so my second pick was definitely not on the cards. I got sold at the very last minute. It is Paco Rabanne Olympia Flora, one of the best sellers that they claim. And this is how it looks. Look how stunning the bottle is. And इसकी fragrance अगर मुझे describe करनी हो, this is boss lady, you know. This is powerful women. This is a goddess who you can't reach. You have to do a lot of work to get to her. This is somebody who is in her divine power. You know what I mean? This is so exotic, so amazing. And this was my second purchase, you know, from duty free. Of course, मुझे discounts मिले थे 15-20% on both of them. Since मैंने 4 full size perfumes in 4 months किए हैं, I think, you know, I'm gonna keep mum for the next 1 year at least. I'm sorted, okay? You remember अगर मैं वापस खरीदती हूँ तो. Okay, moving on to something, you know, which Thailand is very famous for. वहाँ पे ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत ही अच्छे से मिलती है. Of course, India जैसा नहीं है. I mean, India is where everything is taken birth, right? So, but then still, since मैं गई थी, and मुझे headaches बहुत होते हैं बार बार. एक तो मुझे specs है उसके लिए, and maybe second is because I'm an overthinker. So I picked up these two herbal oils. So the first one is the Cheng Cheng oil. Now this they claim कि headache, sinus points ऐसा कुछ होता है तो आप यहाँ पे लगा सकते हो, यहाँ पे लगा सकते हो, and it gives instant relief. I picked up because इसका fragrance अच्छा है, strong है, and it instantly energizes one and breathing में अच्छा लग रहा है. So this is what I picked up. And another one is again an oil, but this is very heavy on lemongrass, again serving the same purpose. और मुझे दोनों के जो है fragrance strong लगे. So I think this should be helpful, and I don't want to have any more headaches. But इसको मैं use करूँगी अगर मुझे ऐसे कुछ हुआ तो. Moving on, we have to pick up souvenirs, loads of souvenirs. Whenever we are traveling, we are going, and we have to give, right? So मैंने ये बहुत ही cute सी keychains वहाँ से उठाए, which were very amazing. और एक पे थाईलैंड और एक पे फुकेट लिखा हुआ है. और ये मुझे बहुत ही क्यूट लगे, एंड आई एम श्योर मैं जिसको भी दूंगी उनको अच्छा लगेगा. मैंने ऑलरेडी कुछ गिव अवेज कर दिए हैं एंड दे लव्ड इट. नेक्स्ट अप इज समथिंग जो मैंने कभी ओन नहीं किया और ये पहली बार है, एंड इट वाज एन इम्पल्स बाय प्योरली बिकॉज थाईलैंड में गर्मी बहुत है. सो आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट इट एंड आई सॉ दिस थिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक आई हैव टू ट्राई इट आउट. लेने के बाद मुझे लगा कि मुझे 3-4 और उठा देने चाहिए थे. So this is the perfume spray. It also claims कि इसमें sun protection है. इसको भी मैंने बहुत यूज़ किया थाईलैंड में, एंड माई हेयर वॉज स्मेलिंग डिवाइन. इट वॉज सो गुड, एंड आई डू फील आई शुड हैव पिक्ड अप 2-3. आई विल लुक इट अप. यहाँ पे कहीं पे मिल रहा है मैं इसको ज़रूर खरीदना चाहूँगी वापस. ओके, अभी तक मैंने आपको जो भी बताया छोटी छोटी चीज़ें वो सारी प्लैटिनम मॉल से थी. मुझे ब्लशेस बहुत पसंद है, और आई थिंक फॉर माई ब्राउन स्किन कोरल एंड सॉफ्ट पिंक, दैट इज बेबी पिंक, रियली सूट्स मी. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द डार्क पिंक वन. सो ये मैंने उठाया है नीकारा का लिक्विड ब्लश, और अगेन मैंने पूरे थाईलैंड में ये ही लगाया बिकॉज आई वाज सो ऑब्सेस्ड विद इट. दिस विल ऑल्सो कम टू एन एंड गाइज. मुझे ये भी 2-3 खरीदे थे, इसमें और भी शेड्स थे, बट आई थॉट दिस वन सूट्स मी द बेस्ट. अब इसको मैं ज़्यादा तो लगाऊंगी नहीं, थोड़ा लगाया है. मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ कि कैसा दिखता है ये. कैन यू सी इट? I do not know why am I twisting my hand so much, but look at this, such a wonderful shade. And उसके बाद जो मैंने लिया is what Thailand में basically Lipton's and everything is very famous, so I was wanting to buy those, and this is one of that. I love the shade, as I said, if you can see, I love this shade. इसको मैं लिपस्टिक की तरह भी यूज़ करूँगी, इसको मैं ब्लश की तरह भी यूज़ करूँगी, इसको मैं हाइलाइटर की तरह भी यूज़ करूँगी. ये अभी आपको कैंप पे दिखेगा नहीं, बट देन इफ यू सी मी इन पर्सन आई वुड डेफिनेटली लुक ग्लोई. सो दिस इज अगेन अ वंडरफुल शेड ऑफ लिपस्टिक. नेक्स्ट अप जो है ये मैंने लिया है चिल्वा मार्केट से, एंड ये मुझे मुंबई में कहीं पे भी नहीं मिला, और मैं ये शॉप में गई जस्ट सो बिकॉज माई फोन बैटरी वॉज डेड एंड माई फ्रेंड्स वर समवेयर एल्स and I had to charge. और वो phone covers की shop थी, and I just happened to see, the first thing that I saw was this, and I picked up because I wanted it from a long time. It is this mirror phone cover. Now don't look at the spelling. The only purpose of this is vlogging करते समय I can just have a look at it, and now I can finally shoot from the बैक कैमरा. अभी तक मैं जो भी शूट करती हूँ फ्रंट कैम से मैं करती हूँ, बिकॉज अपने आप को देखना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो आई पिक्ड अप दिस फ्रॉम देयर, एंड आई थिंक इट्स स्टनिंग, इट सर्व्स दिस पर्पस, सो इट्स अमेजिंग. नेक्स्ट अप आई वेंट टोटली मैड एट दिस. अगेन ये प्लैटिनम मॉल से है, एंड जब मैंने इनको देखा एंड रेट्स देखे एंड एवरीथिंग, आई वाज लाइक आई हैव टू बाय बिकॉज द क्वालिटी इज सो अमेजिंग, and the colors are so amazing, the frames are so amazing, and ये मैंने इतने सारे ले लिए हैं कि उन्होंने मुझे फ्री भी दिया, and I intend to probably give away all my old ones because ये नए मैंने बहुत सारे खरीद लिए हैं. I am talking about sunglasses. There are so many sunglasses. Oh my god. I picked up some for me, some for my mom, and some for my brother, and they've absolutely loved it. अभी मैं आपको पहन के बताऊंगी कैसे है एक से एक. So this is the first one, which I think is so cool. इसका ये जो print है, it's I've not seen at least in India. Trust me, I'm a shopaholic person, so I know, और ये मैंने देखा नहीं है, so I absolutely loved it. Please ignore the ring light reflection. Second is this one. This is purely for my mom. She loves big frames, so ये उनके style का है, उनके लिए है. Third one is this orange shades. These are so versatile. Orange is my favorite color, one of the favorite colors, and I absolutely love the Wayfarer's shape. ये भी मैंने पहना था वहाँ पे. Look at the color यार. I mean, this is so amazing. Wine burgundy style. And it is so chic. I absolutely loved it. और ये पूरा print है इसके ऊपर. This one again is for Mama. She loves big frames. So this is for her. This one I loved it because ये color मेरे पास था नहीं और मैंने देखा भी नहीं है. Let me know how you like it. This is so nice. है ना? And there's one of my most favorites जो मैं night clubs में मैं यही पहनती थी. Are these cool, funky, very chic shades. You know, I love black and golden combination ke shades. I think they look rich, very rich. So this is what my favorite is. And there's one more in blue जो मैंने मेरे brother को दे दिया है. Let me try putting a picture here. Okay, next is something which again मुझे बहुत reasonable मिला और ये बहुत ही utility item है. मुझे colors इसके बहुत पसंद आए and मैं ये चीज़ों को बहुत ही use करती हूँ. I have long hair. And छोटे clips जो है वो चलते नहीं है, so I picked up these two clips जो very सस्ता और मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. एक purple है और एक baby pink है, and they are very good for your buns and half ponies and you know French knots and everything that you want to do. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं लाइफ में एंड ये चीज़ को मैंने जब देखा आई वॉज इनामर्ड बाई द कलर एब्सोल्युटली एंड आई वाज लाइक आई हैव टू पिक दिस अप. और ये मैं ट्रैवल करती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत ही काम में आने वाला है. मुझे पता है आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बैग्स जिसमें जिप नहीं होते हैं और ऐसी बैग्स के लिए यू नो ये आइटम बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होता है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट these amazing purses and pouches. Look at the color yaar. I mean, look at this shocking pink, neon pink. I mean, look at this neon pink. Look at this amazing lilacish, lavenderish color, mauvish maybe. Yellow. Who knows me? I've started loving yellow, okay? Look at this fabulous orange and this beautiful green. There were two more जो मैंने give away कर दिए हैं in different shapes and sizes. There was blue and then there was purple and they absolutely loved it. ये मैंने pick किया है again Platinum Mall के बाहर से. So guys, it's a shopper's paradise यार. Thailand is amazing for this. और वहाँ पे कितने लोग थे जो इतना बड़ा थैली भर के, मतलब मैंने भी किया है लेकिन मुझसे भी ज़्यादा बड़े बैग्स लेके, you know, they were shopping. I'm sure a lot of business and everything happens from there and that's how they come and then they go and sell everything. So I hope अभी तक आपने जो भी देखा हो वो आपको पसंद आया हो. And one thing I want to say is that अगर मैं कोई चीज़ खरीद रही हूँ, I may not be very vocal about it, but I do give away a lot of old stuff as well. I think that's the only way you can make space for new things to come in. जब आप पुरानी चीज़ें जो है उनको आप donate करते हैं and I'd like to do that time and again. Next up again from Platinum Mall. Guys, वहाँ की quality इतनी amazing है that I had to pick this up. What I'm talking about are these stunning earrings, you know, that I picked up. The quality is bomb.com. I mean, ये सारी चीज़ें, you know, when you team it up with some top or something, it will be so fabulous. Okay, this thing has come off as I'm talking to you. Hold on. Okay, fixed it. So here is the silver earrings that I picked up. This is so my style and you know, just a basic outfit and you wear this and your outfit will be lifted. So I love them. All of them are very reasonable. These are the classy golden fly earrings. I think, you know, you wear this again on nice shirt or something, formal wear के ऊपर बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. You can wear it on any outfit. I picked up yet again golden hoops. I don't think so you can, you know, get enough or over, you know, with hoops and stuff because आपका कोई भी outfit अगर आप casual है या rich है, I think golden hoops जो होते हैं वो हमेशा बहुत amazing upliftment देता है. So I picked these up. Then I picked up this absolutely pretty dainty and इतना अच्छा है इस पे मोती का, और some work has happened. I do not know what that is, but I picked up 2 because one I want to give away, and it's these earrings. Can you see it? They are so pretty. I mean, you wear this and you will feel so amazing. Next up are these red hoops once again, and ये ऐसे है flower shape में. इसको भी मैंने पहना हुआ है, and let me put a picture. I love them. I love anything in red. Red is my favorite color. White is my favorite color. Purple is my most favorite color. Green, and off late I'm attracted to yellow. Something has happened. Change has happened. Next up are these amazing gold and white earrings. Look at them, yaar. They look so pretty. Imagine me wearing a white short and this. It'll be amazing. Then we have these very beach style earrings जो निकल चुका है, because guys, I literally stuff things inside my bag, so you have to understand. Okay, are these amazing flower earrings. I love coral. I love this color, and hence I picked up. And that's it from the earrings perspective. We are not done yet. अभी भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, तो रुकिए. आप लोग हैं क्या वीडियो में मेरे साथ? नीचे कमेंट करिए अभी. Okay, I think I'm going to show you all clothes next, because I want to save the best for the last, and I'm sure every girl will go mad looking at those. So let me save it for the last. And so we begin the clothes. मैंने क्या क्या लिया वहाँ से? मैं कपड़े बहुत ही कम लिए, because to be very honest, थाईलैंड में जो है साइजेस के इश्यू होते हैं. They all are for very lean bodies. The Indian bodies are very curvy, healthy, and I'm a healthy woman. So मेरे साइजेस के वहाँ पे बहुत ऑप्शन कम थे, but then I still managed to get something which I love. So first up is this amazingly beautiful. ये आयन हो गया है, इसको खोलना नहीं है. Okay, amazingly beautifully colored and printed shirt जो मैंने फीफी आलम में पहना था. Let me put in a picture so that you know ये कैसा है. It's pure cotton. It's amazing, very comfy, very oversized, and it's beautiful. Then same shop say again, all of this is from Platinum Mall. Platinum Mall is amazing. I mean, just imagine हमारे पास टाइम नहीं था, हमें और भी जगह पे जाना था, but हम नहीं जा पाए. So maybe this means we have to do a next trip. Second thing that I bought in clothing is this amazing linen shirt, which is white and blue. Or again, it is cotton, and I absolutely love shirts. Yeah, oversized हो तो they're very versatile. You can style it in such different ways, and I love the combination because this blue is not the typical blue. It's electric blue. I love it. Then वहाँ पे currency exchange कर रहे थे, and it was just a random place. Again, it was some mall. I forgot the name of the mall. और वहीं पे on the streets, there was a market, and I picked this up from there. This is more like a memory for me, because this material and this style is very synonymous with Thailand, और मुझे एक ऐसा चाहिए था, so मैंने उठाया ये amazing green halter top, which is very pretty. It's very, I do not know how to describe this. It's not ribbed, but it is definitely something different. जो थाईलैंड में ये मटेरियल, ये कपड़ा बहुत पहनते हैं, और ये पहनने के बाद it looks stunning, and it's got this V cut over here. So it's an amazing beach wear stuff यार, बहुत अच्छा है ये. Next up मेरी लाइफ का पहला ये मैंने आज तक कभी खरीदा नहीं है, because of many reasons, but I did see it and I fell in love with it. I think it's perfect by all means. Are these stunning white linen pants. They are so good. इसकी फिट के बारे में मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, बहुत amazing है, and कपड़ा is also very good. I absolutely loved it. I mean, just imagine I'm wearing this. I'm wearing this shirt. I've kept the shirt button open, and I'm wearing a buster inside. Just imagine how chic the outfit will be. So I absolutely loved it, and again बहुत सस्ता था. Okay, so my phone battery died, और quickly मैं डिनर करके आई हूँ. अभी बजे है रात के कुछ 10:30 बजे, एंड आज संडे है तो मुझे टाइम मिला तो मैंने शूट कर रही हूँ. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आपको बता रही थी दैट आई पिक्ड अप, आई वाज इन ओल्ड फुकेट टाउन विच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड. अमेजिंग अमेजिंग प्लेस, व्हाट अ वाइब. और वहाँ पे ये शॉप थी और वो आंटी बहुत ही क्यूट थी और उनके पास बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें थी. एंड ऐसे कोई नीड नहीं थी मुझे खरीदने की, बट देन आई पिक्ड इट अप बिकॉज अगेन सोवेनियर मेमोरी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट थिंग. And the biggest thing that I picked it up was for it's slit, so it's this pink frilly long maxi skirt which has a long slit. अगर आप मुझे जानते हो then long skirts, maxi dresses, these are my thing, man, and I absolutely love them. I love feminine dressing, and so I picked this up. It's very nice and very lovely color. And now time has come to move on to the most amazing thing that I picked up. मैंने इसके बारे में stories भी डाली थी मेरे Instagram पे. And we went berserk. ये again बैंकॉक से मैंने शॉपिंग करी है. I went to some street जहाँ पे वेजिटेरियन खाना मिलता है. I'm a vegetarian, ऊपर से मैं gluten allergic हूँ, so I have my food restrictions to look at and I'm specific, I'm very particular about all these things. So हम वो एक्सप्लोर करते करते वहाँ पे गए और ऐसे ही वॉकिंग हम आ रहे थे and we saw this very small shop. It was well lit up. अगेन रात के मेरे ख्याल से 10 सवा 10 बजे थे, तो क्या ही मतलब शटिंग का टाइम होता है. सो वी जस्ट वॉकड इन एंड इट वाज अ पैराडाइज. इट वाज अ पैराडाइज ऑफ bags. Oh my god, this is what I'm talking about. This is the real deal. Let me show you. First up is this amazing crossbody side sling bag that I picked up. I absolutely loved its color combination और ये belt मुझे बहुत ही creative और अच्छा लगा और ये casual bag के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. This I actually bought for my mom. My mom loves all these kind of bags and fanny packs and all. She's super cool. She's got all this style. My dad had all the style. All of that has come to me, I believe. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये casual bag के लिए. It is amazing. और कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कितना अमेजिंग है इसका, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये. The second bag that we picked is again in my life, I think the first time I am buying a bag of this material and it is again so chic, so chic. कुछ चीज़ें जो मैंने खरीदी है that is probably for memory because वहाँ का फैशन बहुत अलग है and I wanted to keep something with me for posterity and जब भी मैं इसको देखूँ तो मुझे याद आया कि यार such amazing trip, amazing memories, amazing everything. It was so good. Thailand, you were amazing. Is this second denims crossbody bag? Look at this ruffles and ruched effect on the patta. मुझे by the way पतले पट्टे ज़रा भी नहीं अच्छे लगते हैं. मेरे bags अगर आप देखोगे हमेशा tote bags होते हैं and if there are crossbody bags that I'll pick, I will always have fat patta. The reason is I stuff a lot here. I carry my world with me. That is the problem actually. Okay, and this got zip. It's got zip here. मैं अभी खोलने वाली नहीं because ये वीडियो बहुत ही लंबा हो चुका है मेरे ख्याल से. So this again is very stunning यार. I can't wait to style it. Third bag is something that I used over there. इसकी zip जो है थोड़ी बिगड़ गई है. The fault lies with me because मैंने इसमें बहुत ही stuffing किया था. But it's okay, I think I can get it fixed, so that's not a problem. I loved its material, I loved its shape, I loved its color. And ये जैसे मैंने देखा ना, actually my friend had picked it up and I was like, if you're not buying it, I am buying this for sure. And that's how I picked this one. It's this moon shape, again a crossbody bag. सबके बेल्स जो है वो एडजस्ट हो सकते हैं, आपको शॉर्ट करना हो, लॉन्ग करना हो, व्हाटएवर. दिस इज सो बिग, दिस इज सो अमेजिंग एंड इसकी जिप जो है बिगड़ चुकी है, बट देन आई नो आई कैन फिक्स इट अप एंड इट्स गॉट लाइक 2 पॉकेट्स हियर. आई लव द मटेरियल, दिस इज अमेजिंग एंड आई कांट वेट टू यूज ऑल दीज यार. Next up is something, again if you know, I am only into tote bags. वो teeny tiny bags जो है वो मेरे लिए, अगर मैं 2 घंटे के लिए नीचे जा रही हूँ तो ठीक है, लेकिन अगर लंबा समय है I really need to carry my world with me, and so you will only see me with big bags. Is this absolutely stunning, again a tote bag. It's got Hugger written on it. ये color कितना amazing है and this orange embroidery with Hugger. The best parts about all Bangkok bags is what I'll show you. Look at that inner stuff यार, कितना compartments है. Organization will be so amazing. I can put my laptop. I can put so many things. यहाँ पे कितना सारा उन्होंने दिया हुआ है. You know, for your pens, for whatever you want to put. I think, you know, absolutely love it. और ये color देखिए कितना amazing है अंदर. So I had to pick this up. Did you like it? And look at this. This is so pretty. And the last one, the classic. This can never go wrong. And again, I bought it because of its size, because of what's inside, and it's this stunning tote bag. अगर आप H&M and Zara को follow करते हैं, उनके ऐसे बहुत bags होते हैं. And this is again amazing for me. जब मैं one nighter sleepover का plan करती हूँ, I think it is amazing to carry. And it's got a magnetic button. एंड अंदर आप देखिए वापस यार कितने कंपार्टमेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सब कुछ दिया हुआ है एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजन यार आई पिक्ड इट अप इट इज सो गुड एंड द कलर इज ऑल्सो सो वेल इनसाइड सो येस यू नो दैट्स व्हाई आई पिक्ड अप दीज बैग्स. So that was from the bags perspective. I think, you know, I bought those big bags, then I bought those pouches, then I bought those purses and everything. I think I definitely got a lot many things. And now with that we're almost at the end of the shopping haul. आपको कैसा लगा shopping haul ये मेरे को ज़रूर बताना. And the last thing, which is the most precious thing, it is an amazing memory, you know, that we have. ये है Fifi Island से हमारा second last day था, and this is me with my friends, you know, who are on this trip, and it's a frame for memory, it's a frame for life. I think we all look so happy, free, amazing, and I mean, you know, we were disconnected but absolutely in our own world, enjoying everything, every moment. It is so essential, so important, and this is very precious. हम तीनों ने लिया है ये, and we're gonna put this up somewhere ताकि हमें याद रहे कि हमें ऐसे moments और जीने हैं. Okay folks, I guess that is up. अगर कुछ छूटा है मुझे नहीं पता अभी because everything is a mess. Then मैं शॉर्ट्स में डाल दूंगी for sure. आप मुझे ज़रूर बताना आपको ये थाईलैंड शॉपिंग हॉल कैसा लगा. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मैंने बाय किया है सब कुछ. And I absolutely had a field time यार, picking up every piece. Everything is so memorable, you know, for me. And thank you so much. I do know that बाली का जो vlog है उसका part 2 आना बाकी है. By the way, part 1 में you have given me so much love. Thank you so very much. Part 2 will be up in next few days. And ये वीडियो जाएगा उसके पहले for sure part 2 will be up. So please उसको भी उतना ही प्यार देना या उससे ज़्यादा प्यार देना. And I'm sure you guys are waiting, you know, for Thailand vlogs. Yes, I have vlogged that too. That will also come. I have to get going. Finally, I found an editor. So, you know, she is of great help to me. So, we have loads of things coming up. There's Bali part 2 which will go up. There are Thailand vlogs that will go up. And then there is Uttarakhand travel जो मैंने किया था And then there is Uttarakhand travel which we did in April. वो तो 15 दिन की ट्रिप थी तो उसके भी बहुत सारे vlogs आएंगे. So guys, we've got it. Please do let me know if you like my style of vlogging, my style of vlogs. The content that I'm putting up, you know, if you want to see something more, something different that I should do, please let me know. I'm still figuring out all these things. हाँ मुझे 1 साल हो गया है YouTube पे. And thank you so much for all your love, support and everything that you've done. And I hope that we build this amazing community of like-minded people. Please मुझे ज़रूर बताना आपको ये shopping haul कैसा लगा. What was your favorite item? And please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, comment. I think subscribe करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा because that really works on YouTube. And I really need your love, support for me to continue doing this. I have a primary job and I'm doing this only because I think it's time for me to give it back from the things that I'm best at doing. That's the only, you know, motto. And for me to sustain, आप लोगों का प्यार होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So please subscribe, like, share, comment. अपने friends को बताइए, सबको बताइए. And stay tuned, stay on my channel. And God bless all of you. Bye bye. Okay, wait. ये मैं बताना भूल गई थी. I'm glad मेरी नज़र टाइम पे पड़ी है. I picked up some more bags as always. These are amazing Thailand bags that I picked up from O-Top Market in Phuket. और इसके ऊपर टुक टुक बनी हुई है, Thailand लिखा हुआ है. Cloth bag है, again a tote bag. और ये बहुत ही बड़ी है एंड बहुत ही स्पेशियस है. इट्स वेरी कम्फी बीच के लिए, या आप जा रहे हो कहीं एरेंड्स करने के लिए. And I picked up two of them because I have to give some gifts to